Want to connect your Godaddy domain to your GitHub page website in 2025? Here's a simple step-by-step summary to get it done. First, go to your GitHub repository and head into Settings. Scroll down into the Pages section. Choose your source branch, usually main and save. Then, in the custom domain box, enter your domain like your website and hit save. GitHub will not expect certain DNS records from your domain provider. Next, log into your Godaddy account. Go to My Products and click DNS next to your domain. In the DNS management section, you'll need to add 4A records with the GitHub pages: IP addresses 185, 199, and 108, 153. Then add CNAME record where the name is, and the values is your GitHub username followed by .github.io. Save all changes. Now go back to GitHub, refresh the pages section, and wait a few minutes for propagation. Once that's done, your domain should now show in your GitHub site when visited. It's that easy. Your Godaddy domain is now connected to your GitHub pages site. Like and subscribe if this video helped.